Welcome back to class, New View first graders. Today's video on phonics, letter sounds, and spelling, we will be talking about the sounds for OU and OW. For this video, you will need a piece of paper, lined or unlined is fine, and a pencil. This week's sound card is for the OU-OW sound. OU and OW make the ow sound, like when you hurt yourself and you say ow. That's why we have band-aids on the cards to help remind us of the sound. Earlier this year, we had the sight word out. Out has the OU ow sound. Do you remember the chant that we learned? Say it with me. O-U-T, O-U-T, get out of here, you bumblebee. Another word with the O-U ow sound is the word ouch. Ouch is what we say when we get hurt. Ouch can help us remember the ow sound for OU. Another way to write the ow sound is OW. Earlier this year, we learned that OW says O, like in snow. But OW has another sound. OW can also sound like ow in cow. The OW in cow says ow. Some other common words are how and now. Now I want you to split your paper into two sections like I have on the screen. Label it at the top with each of the sound patterns for ow. Write OU on one side and OW on the other. Pause the video now so that you can label your paper and push play when you're ready to get started. We're going to take a look at some words that follow the ow pattern. I'm going to say some words that follow the pattern. We're going to start with the OU pattern. Our first word is a word you're familiar with, and it's the word out. Ow. So first I hear the ow sound, so I'm going to write the OU, out. And the last sound I hear is a T. Your next word rhymes with out. The word is shout. What do you hear at the beginning of shout? That's right, you hear the SH, the sh sound on shout. And then you're going to have the O-U-T at the end of the word, shout. Your next word is mouse. Mouse. What sound do you hear at the beginning of mouse? An M, that's right. Ow. Now I hear the ow, so that's going to be an O, U. Mouse. Now I hear an S sound. All right, so this is the word mouse, but we're missing one letter and it has a lazy E at the end of it. Our next word that rhymes with mouse is house. That means they're going to be spelled almost exactly the same. Mouse, house. All right, so we're going to start with a H. Ow. So we're going to put the OU ow. House. And then the S, and then the lazy E at the end of the word, house. Our next word is mouth. Mouth. I eat food with my mouth. I hear an M at the beginning. Mow, ow, I hear an ow. Mouth. Did you stick your tongue out for that sound? Yes, that means it's going to be a TH. TH is the sound. Your next word rhymes with mouth. The word is south. I hear an S. Ow. O-U, ow. South. And again, I stuck my tongue out. That is that T-H sound at the end. South. Our next word is hour. The word hour is a homophone. There are two words that sound like that, but they're spelled differently. The first hour is like our house, our car, hour. So we're going to start with the ow, and then we have an hour. Now, once in a while when people are talking, they'll say our car, our house, our dog. But the correct word that we should be using is the word hour that you see here on the screen, O-U-R. The homophone for hour, there's another type of hour, and that's the hour on a clock. That one starts with a silent letter H. So go ahead and put the silent letter H. All right, and now we hear ow, hour. So I'm going to put a star next to these two. These are special. These are homophones. They sound the same, but they're spelled differently. Okay, your next word is count, to count numbers. I'm going to come up here at the top. I don't have enough room. It's going to be a C. Ow, O-U. Count. I hear a N, count, and a T at the end. Count. And your next word is found. Found. Ow. O-U. Found. What do you hear before you hear the D? There's another sound, found. That's an N. Found. All right, let's make our D correctly. First, we make a C, then it turns into the D. Found. Last word, this word rhymes with found, and it is the word sound. Ow. Sound. All right, very good. They should look almost exactly the same. Sound. All right, let's move over to the next column. These are the OWL words. Our first word is how. I hear an H, ow. And this time it's going to be OWL, how. Our next word is cow. We saw that on the other slide on here. That's going to be a C. Ow. And the ow is going to be O-W. Notice on the other column over on this side that a lot of these ows are found like in the middle of the words. You can see they're all in the middle. The word out has it at the beginning. But this O-W here, we can find it all by itself at the end. So if it's just an ow on the end of the word, it's going to be the O-W ow. Another word that rhymes with cow is now. An N, and then O-W ow. Now. Our next word is down. D. I hear a D. Make your C. Turn it into a D. Ow. I'm going to put O-W. Down. And I hear an N at the end. Down. Next word, brown. Now remember, your B is not made the same way as your D. The B starts at the top, you pull down to the ground, and you come up and around. Brown. So we're going to start with an R blend right here. Ow. I hear O-W. Brown. Notice down, brown. They both have own on them. Those words rhyme with each other. Another word that rhymes is town. I live in a town. I hear a T. Ow. I hear O-W. Town. What do you hear at the end? Yes, it's an N. Town. Down, brown, town, they all have own, so they rhyme with each other. Next word is crown. This word also rhymes. Cur, cur. Well, there's only one kind of cur, so it's going to be CR. There's no such thing as the KR. Cur, ow, OW, crown. So here we have another own rhyming word. And your last word is also an own rhyming word, and it is frown. Frown is what your face looks like when you're sad and your lips move down. Frown. Fur. That's an FR. For ow. OW. Frown. Frown. And there we have it. Good job. Okay, now flip your paper over and number it from 1 to 10. We're going to be practicing this week's spelling words with the OU and OW spelling patterns. Remember, if you need to press pause on the video so that you can number your paper, go ahead and press pause right now, and when you're ready to get started, push play again. Okay, let's get started. Our first word is cow. Cow. All right, what's it going to be? A C or a K? Yes, a C. Ow. Do you remember which of the two ows you find on the end of the word all by itself? Yes, that's O-W. Ow. Cow. C-O-W. Number 2, town. Town. All right, first I hear a t. Ow. I hear an O-W. Town. And an N at the end of the word. So far we've had 2 OW words, cow and town. Your next word is mouse. Mouse. All right, I hear an M first, pull down, up and over the mountain, up and over the mountain. Remember that an M has a stick on the front of it, so you should have a stick right there in the front. Mouse. All right, which OW is it? Is it the OU or the OW? Sorry, which ow is it I meant? It is the OU. Mouse. And we have an S. And then did you remember that there is a lazy E on the end of the word mouse? Your next word is how. How, cow. They rhyme. So if cow is C-O-W, then how is H-O-W. Number 5, out. Oh, that's an easy one. You know that one. What's the chant? Out. O-U-T. O-U-T. Get out of here, you bumblebee. Good job. Number 6. Number 6 is mouth. All right, pull down on your M and then go up and over the mountain, up and over the mountain. Ow, ow. That's going to be an O-U. Now remember, if you accidentally put an O-W, it's okay if you make a mistake. We're just practicing. You can cross it off or you can erase it and fix it. Mouth. What sound? Mouth. I stuck my tongue out and I heard a th sound, so that's T-H at the end. Mouth. All right, number 7. Number 7 and number 8 are review words from the last set of spelling words we had. We worked on the OR sound in our last video. So 7 and 8 are going to have the or sound on them. Number 7 is born. B. All right, I'm going to start with the B, pull down to the ground, up and around. B, or. That's going to be an O-R, born. I hear an N. Good job. Your next or review word is roar, like a lion roar. Roar. So I'm going to start with an R. Roar. Or. All right, so should I put roar like this? Or was it roar with an O-A-R? Roar like this. Do you remember there were two patterns? Which one looks right to you? Yes, the second one is correct. It's R-O-A-R for the word roar. Okay, number 9. Number 9 is one of the sight word high frequency words that you're learning to read this week. Those are in the flashcards in your at-home packet. The first word we're going to learn is the word nothing. Nothing is written like the two words no and thing. No thing, nothing. So let's start with no. How do you spell no? Well, that's pretty easy. N-O spells no. No thing, nothing, th thing. I hear a TH, the, ing, I-N-G, ing. So we have nothing, and it looks like no and thing. Nothing. And number 10 is also a high frequency word. It is the word early, early. In this word, we're going to have an E and an A. Usually that makes an E sound, but it's not doing that in this word. Here's the R sound, lee. Lee is a common ending, and when we write lee on the end of a word, it is always L-Y. So this part is saying the and then L-Y is saying the lee. Early. Great job, you guys. If your hand gets tired in between practicing the columns and then doing the practice spelling test, remember you can always press pause on these videos. All right, boys and girls, that's it for this lesson on the O-U-O-W sound. I hope you found it helpful, and keep a lookout for our next sound and spelling video. Next week we will be having a new video.